Moving ahead, ever wondered how did Bill of Exchange come into existence? I'll tell you. Let's go back to the time in history around 8th century AD when seaways were the only mode of transport for cross-border transactions and trade used to happen in exchange of gold coins and other valuables. The ships carrying goods and gold coins used to get robbed by pirates. This made trade across countries very difficult. That's when Bill of Exchange started getting used. I'll illustrate how it used to happen. If person A inhabiting in the Scandinavian coast bought goods from person B of Asia and also sold goods to person C inhabiting in Asia, instead of transferring the money to Asia for goods purchased and from Asia for goods sold, person A used to write a note to person C, directing him to pay person B. Well, this not only avoided plunders but also saved transportation cost. So now coming back to Anirudh, let's explore how did Anirudh use Bill of Exchange like the 8th century traders. So Anirudh had to pay a wholesaler Manraj 1 lakh rupees for books he purchased some time back. He went to him to pay, but instead of paying money, he handed over the Bill of Exchange to him. And Manraj was like, what am I going to do with this bill? I needed money. Then Anirudh explained him, listen, this is as good as money. The note says that Devang will pay me 1 lakh rupees in a month's time. Since you have this bill, you will get this money from Devang in a month's time. Manraj countered, well, this note mentions your name. How will I get the money? Anirudh is like, let me write your name on the back of the bill and I'll sign against it to make it legit. Forget Bill of Exchange, you would have encountered the same stuff. You had to pay 400 to a friend and receive 400 from another. You rather ask both of them to exchange money by themselves. Similarly, Anirudh asked Manraj and Devang to settle amongst themselves and be relieved himself. So Bill of Exchange can be transferred from one person to another. We never knew this little piece of note would have insane benefits.